Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Mahmoud Shilleh and I'm thrilled to guide you today through this fun and interactive workshop. Today we'll be building a small but impressive digital photo frame using the Arduino. Now you might be wondering, what exactly is a digital photo frame? Well, it's a device that displays a slideshow of digital images, much like a traditional photo frame, but with the flexibility of displaying multiple images stored electronically. So instead of a static picture, this frame cycles through vibrant photos, bringing your memories or creative visuals to life. Now in this project, we'll use an affordable setup, simple connections, and some creative coding to achieve this outcome. So whether you are an Arduino enthusiast or you are just starting off, this project will be both rewarding and exciting. So let's dive in and start talking about what we'll be covering in this mini series. First, we'll start by introducing the hardware components and talk about why they are needed at a high level. Next, we'll walk through how to connect everything step by step, making sure the display is ready to be programmed with the Arduino. Once the hardware is set up, we'll move on to formatting and loading the images onto the SD card to prepare the images for the display. Now this is where you get creative and select the images you want to show in your photo frame. Finally, we'll delve into the coding section where you'll learn how to program the Arduino to display your images on the device. And then we will wrap things up. We will load the code into the Arduino, and then we will see our live DIY photo frame in action. So I hope that sounds good. Let's get started in lesson 1, where we talk about the hardware in more detail and then discuss connecting the hardware accordingly. I will see you there.